Welcome back to Dream Home Talk. Today we're diving into the charming world of rustic English cottage interiors. Specifically, how to give your living room a cozy, vintage makeover without breaking the bank. If you've ever dreamed of transforming your space into a warm and inviting cottage-style haven, you're in the right place. Stick around for simple, budget-friendly tips that will help you create a living room straight out of a storybook. Let's get started. Start with soft furnishings. The heart of any rustic living room lies in its soft furnishings. To achieve the English cottage vibe, focus on layering textures. Look for budget-friendly throws, cushions, and curtains in natural fabrics like cotton, linen, or wool. Floral patterns, plaid, or soft neutral tones work perfectly. You can often find these at thrift stores, online marketplaces, or even in clearance sections. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures to create a cozy, lived-in feel. Add thrifted or second-hand furniture. Cottage interiors thrive on character, and nothing adds personality like vintage or second-hand furniture. Visit thrift stores, flea markets, or even your local classifieds for wooden coffee tables, sideboards, or armchairs with a rustic finish. Look for imperfections, they add charm. If the piece doesn't match your color scheme, a quick coat of chalk paint can do wonders. Distressed finishes or pastel tones will make your furniture feel perfectly at home in a rustic setting. Incorporate natural elements. To bring the outdoors inside, decorate with natural materials. Wicker baskets, wooden trays, and clay pots are fantastic options that don't cost much. Fill vases with fresh flowers, greenery, or even dried lavender to enhance that countryside aesthetic. If you have a fireplace, stack some logs nearby, even if it's just for decoration, to complete the rustic look. Focus on lighting. Lighting plays a key role in creating a cozy ambience. Swap out harsh white bulbs for warm, soft lighting. Add a mix of table lamps and fairy lights for a warm, inviting glow in the evenings. Lanterns or antique-style candle holders can also add an authentic rustic touch. For a budget-friendly option, scour second-hand shops or DIY your own lampshades with floral or lace fabrics. Accessorize thoughtfully. The final step is accessorizing. English cottages are known for their personal touches. Family heirlooms, framed prints, or vintage books stacked on a side table. Look for affordable knickknacks at second-hand shops, or even craft your own. Old teapots, enamel pitchers, or porcelain figurines can be repurposed as charming decor. Remember, less is more. Choose items that tell a story and fit the overall vibe. And there you have it. A simple, budget-friendly guide to transforming your living room into a rustic English cottage retreat. With just a few thoughtful changes, you can create a space that's both cozy and elegant. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration. Let us know in the comments which tip you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video on Dream Home Talk.